So you've noticed already that Excel is quite convenient for representing both numbers and text. So what I mean by that is, if I click on any cell within Excel, that cell can hold either a number or it can hold character data, it can hold text. So if I type 1 and 6.3, then I add these two numbers together, then I get an answer, because Excel is treating these two cells over here as if they were numbers, and then when I do a calculation, it's adding those two numbers together. But I can also type text. I can type txt, I can type p over here. These two cells represent character data. So if I try to add those two cells together, I try add text to p, then I get a value error. So Excel is picking up that these two cells don't contain numbers. In fact, they contain text, and it doesn't mean anything to try and add text to p. There is no mathematical operation for that. So one way to force Excel to use character data to store a cell's value with character data is to use the little apostrophe. It's the inverted comma. Whatever I type after that, so even if I type a number like 6.3, that 6.3 isn't a number anymore, it's text. It's text, and sometimes I want to write 1.10. If I just type that out into Excel, I would get a number. If I really want to force it to be text, then I can put in a little apostrophe and then type my little 0, and it will stay like this, because what's happening is Excel is treating these cells as if they were text and not numbers. So that's a nice way of telling Excel that my cells must contain character data.